Moving house is as much an emotional task as a logistical one, and preparing your mind and family ahead of time makes the transition smoother. Start by naming the emotions everyone is feeling and give each person permission to express them without judgment. Make this a regular family check in so small concerns do not become big surprises. Create simple goodbye rituals for the current home that match your family style, such as a final meal in the kitchen, a photo walk through favorite rooms, or a memory box filled with notes about what you will miss. Keep core routines for children and pets during the move by preserving bedtimes, meal rhythms, and favorite comfort items, because predictability reduces anxiety even when surroundings change. Plan a few intentional housewarming activities for the new place before unpacking everything, like setting up one comfortable sitting area, hanging a few meaningful pictures, and scheduling a local park visit so the neighborhood feels familiar fast. Give yourself buffer days by booking time between move-in and full unpacking so you can rest, handle unexpected repairs, and gradually arrange the home rather than rushing. Use checklists that break tasks into 15 to 30-minute blocks to avoid decision fatigue and assign roles to family members so responsibility and agency help people feel involved. 3 common mistakes are ignoring emotional signals, overpacking the schedule, and neglecting early neighborhood orientation. Ignoring emotional signals often looks like pushing everyone to be cheerful and pretending adjustment is automatic. Instead, acknowledge feelings and set aside 10 to 15 minutes daily for sharing and reassurance. Overpacking the schedule happens when we try to unpack everything the first day and start renovations immediately. Avoid this by prioritizing essential spaces and scheduling non-urgent tasks for later weeks. Neglecting early neighborhood orientation can leave people feeling isolated. Solve this by mapping local essentials before moving, introducing yourselves to a neighbor with a short note and a treat, and finding one community activity within the first week. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and lets contractors find new work in their area by connecting people through project listings and responses. We also host an active discussion community where users share practical moving tips, tradesperson recommendations, and neighborhood insights to support families through relocation.